reality.
Today at Reality, we're presenting the BLK2GO PULSE from Leica Geosystems. The BLK2GO PULSE is an economical, simple, handheld mobile laser scanner that will allow you to create 3D computer models of an interior space in the form of point clouds, which you can instantly share with colleagues using Reality Cloud Studio, allowing them to get a sense of the space you've scanned, take its measurements, and create simple animated visualizations. With your phone mounted on the BLK2GO PULSE and Field 360 or the BLK Live app, you'll be able to see your point cloud as it's built, either in a top-down view or a first-person view. The BLK2GO PULSE requires practically no accessories other than its carrying case, extra batteries, a battery charger, and a simple stand for holding the device upright when you need your hands free for a moment. Unlike the regular BLK2GO, the BLK2GO PULSE does not require you to begin and end a scan at the same spot. You can begin scanning anywhere and end anywhere. While the regular BLK2GO uses a laser mounted on a spinning gimbal to build a point cloud, the BLK2GO PULSE uses refracted laser beams shot out of multiple emitters 5 times per second without using any moving parts. With new pulse technology, the scanner captures uniform, aesthetically pleasing point clouds while registering them and colorizing them on the fly. Minimal post-processing is required. The data you collect can be uploaded instantly from Field 360 to Reality Cloud Studio once you complete a scan, allowing your teammates to get to work right away. The point clouds should be instantly available in E57 format, pictures as JPEGs, and trajectory information in special text files. Pulse technology involves a unique fusion of Grand Slam positioning with dual time-of-flight or TOF LiDAR sensors, which Leica Geosystems developed in collaboration with Sony. Pulse Tech allows the scanner to keep track of its own location in 3D space as you carry it around, using the data from the cameras and lasers. Rather than a 360-degree view, the BLK2GO PULSE scans what's in front of you, from half a meter up to 10 meters away. Of its 4 cameras, 3 are used for colorizing your point cloud, while the last one can be used for taking high-resolution, geotagged photos, useful for taking note of items of interest. With 256 gigabytes of internal memory, the BLK2GO PULSE can store up to 40 hours of compressed data or 20 hours of raw data. Lightweight and small, the BLK2GO PULSE is easy to use and won't tire you out. Its black anodized aluminum and rubber cover are also sleek and stylish, sure to turn a few heads. Designed for indoor use only, the BLK2GO PULSE nevertheless has a wide range of operating temperatures above freezing and an IP rating of 54. Data can be transferred from the device wirelessly or by USB cord. For jobs that require quick, up-to-date dimensions and visualizations, the BLK2GO PULSE is an ideal tool for rapid, easy laser scanning. Check out the notes below for more details and click through to our website to start a conversation with us about how reality capture can help your business.